Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Coco the pup. Sam has a pup. The pup is Coco. Coco is small and white. Coco, the pup can bark. Again. Sam has a pup. The pup is Coco. Coco is small and white. Coco, the pup can bark. Now your turn to read. It's quiz time. Who has a pup? A. Sam. B. Pen. C. Max. The answer is a Sam. Sam has a pup. What is the name of the pup? A. Ben. B. Ted. C. Coco. The answer is C. Coco. Coco is the name of the pup. What is the color of Coco? A. Blue. B. White. C. Brown. The answer is B. White. Coco has white color. What can Coco do? A. Bark. B. Sing. C. Dance. The answer is A. Bark. Coco can bark. Max the cat. Jay has a cat. The cat is Max. Max is fat and brown. Max is on the mat. Again. Jay has a cat. The cat is Max. Max is fat and brown. Max is on the mat. Now your turn to read, children. It's quiz time. Who has a cat? A. Pam. B. Jay. C. Tom. The answer is B. Jay. Jay has a cat. What is the name of the cat? A. Max. B. Pam. C. Coco. The answer is A. Max. Max is the name of the cat. What is the color of Max? A. Blue. B. Brown. C. Green. The answer is B. Brown. The color of Max is brown. Where is Max? A. On the mat. B. In the house. C. At the park. The answer is A. On the mat. Max is on the mat. Good job, children. You have given all the correct answers. Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.